There are always new popular ways to make money quickly, like playing the lottery online or stuffing envelopes at home. Do they work? Actually, no. Will you make money doing it? Maybe, but your 9-to-5 job would probably pay you more. However, the truth is that there are real ways to make money online, and millions of people do it every day. There are a lot of business ideas you can try at home with your laptop and a good internet connection. In today's video, I'll be showing you real ways to make money online, so let's look at some real ways to make money online. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has gone up and down over the years, but it is still a good way to make money on the internet. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you can choose to work with a wide range of companies such as Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. You can make a living through affiliate marketing by promoting other brands. If you're a smart marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. Even though a commission may not seem like much, remember that you can be an affiliate for more than one brand and put more than one affiliate link in a blog post. You can also make money on YouTube if other people are doing it. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, is the most well-paid YouTuber. He posts strange stunts on his channel, which made him $54 million in 2021. You should stick to one niche on your YouTube channel so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can do makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, make prank videos, or do anything else you think people would be interested in. To make money on YouTube, you need to make things that people want to see. Make clever titles to get people to watch your videos, and use keywords in the descriptions to make them easier to find on YouTube. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, you can start making money from your YouTube channel with ads. Making a name for yourself online can also help you make money. Did you know that soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges between $880,000 and $1 million for an Instagram post that is paid for by a company? Even though it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money now than they did a few years ago. To become an influencer, you have to get a lot of people to listen to you. What are the best places to start? Instagram and TikTok. Some of the most influential people who aren't celebrities got their start on these platforms. If you want to build a big Instagram audience, you might want to look into how to get more Instagram followers. As an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, make your online store and sell products, put affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merchandise, and get paid to appear at events and more. One of the best ways to make money online is to sell a course. If you know a lot about a certain subject, you can make money from it by making online courses. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have an audience, on your own website. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can make as much as $5,000 per month. Look at popular and successful courses in your niche for ideas on how to make a popular and successful course. Then read the comments. What do people like about something and what do they dislike? How can you make something that is better than what already exists? Focus on making content that solves people's biggest problems and mirrors the things they love most about it. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, putting out an ebook has never been easier. You only need to write the ebook, format it, make a cover for it, publish it, and promote it. You can hire a writer to write your ebook and a graphic designer to make the cover, and a manuscript editor to fix any mistakes in the writing. Focus on keywords that people often search for on Amazon when doing research on the topic. Focus on marketing efforts that have been shown to bring in customers if you want to sell your ebook. You could, for example, give away the first few copies of your book for free. This gets people talking about you on social media and gets you some reviews, which is a form of social proof that can help you get more customers. Influencer marketing and video campaigns are also good ways to get the word out about your ebook. During these hard times, making money online can help you stay afloat. It can also help you quit your 9-to-5 job so you can start your own business full-time. By coming up with online business ideas and choosing to start one, you gain more financial freedom, improve your financial security, and move closer to living life on your own terms. We have come to the end of today's video. Which one do you prefer? Let me know them in the comment box below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of new videos immediately. Thanks for watching.